So how do you get started drop shipping when you have absolutely no money? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get started drop shipping using eBay while using your customers' money to pay for the products. All of that right now. What's going on, guys? Justin here with Broke Millionaire, the channel that helps you take control of your money. And on this channel, we do tips and reviews on the latest budgeting apps, as well as strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let me know what other types of content you want to see by clicking on the title card above. So when many people think of making money online, one of the first methods they end up finding is drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you work with a supplier to sell directly to a consumer without physically holding products of your own. And while many people who start this ends up running straight towards Shopify to start their venture, they are missing a golden and free opportunity to dropship using eBay. But how can you get started doing this when you have no money at all? Well, all you need to do is follow these 5 steps that I'm about to lay out for you. And the first step is to actually open an eBay account and a PayPal account. And no, you do not need to open up an eBay store in order to start selling on eBay. All you need is just a regular account. Okay, so we got both of these profiles up and going within a couple of minutes. It's time for one of the longest parts of this journey, and that is product searching. Now, you want to find a product that is selling consistently, and with literally hundreds of thousands of products on eBay, where do you even start? Well, my best strategy is to niche down based on seasons and hobbies. Don't know where to start? Well, think of your favorite season and think of a hobby that goes along with that season. For instance, right now we're about to go into summer. So, what's a good hobby in the summer? How about camping? Where can we go with camping? Well, there's tents, there's fire starters, there's lamps, there's fishing lures, everything like that. And a power tip to find exactly what products are selling consistently: once you type in a product idea, you want to sort that by sold items. You can tell what's considered sold based on the little green numbers that you see on the listings. So let's say you find camping tents. Well, now that we got that product, how are we going to find them? This is where a third step comes in, and we take advantage of good old-fashioned Walmart. Walmart literally has every single product you can think of, so it's not going to be any hesitation trying to find camping gear at all. You just type in what product you're looking for, and if they have it, it'll be right in their search. Alright, cool. So we got our eBay account set up, and we got a product that we want to sell. What's next? Well, you actually got to list it onto eBay. And this could actually be easier than you think depending on the product. When you go and add a new product, what you can do is just search for the product by name. And if it's a frequently common product, eBay will already have all the information laid out, ready to go. And then all you gotta do is press list. Now, are you gonna make tons of money with just one product? No. You wanna constantly rinse and repeat this process. The goal is to have a catalog of things that you can sell, maybe between 30 and 50 items. Ideally, all within the same hobby, so that way people can find one item and maybe even buy a second one to go with it. Alright, so you got all of your products up, you got about 30 to 50 on your eBay account, and some people have started buying. Well, how do you get the products to the customer? Now, what's going to happen is eBay is actually going to pay you through PayPal. And assuming that you don't have any locks or holds on your PayPal account, you can have that money immediately available to you as long as it's below a certain amount. Mostly like around $100. When that happens, you go right into Walmart, you buy the product, you pay for it with PayPal, with the money that's in the account, and you can ship it right to the customer. Now, this is an important step when you start listing your products on eBay. How much should you charge for it? Well, kind of a couple of steps you gotta take with this. All you gotta do is search for the product, list it by sold items, and take the average of the last 3 sold items. Once you find the average price people are willing to pay for it, you just charge a little bit more than that, and there's going to be your profit margin. That's it. That's all you got to do. And if you keep rinsing and repeating this process over and over, you're going to have a few extra $100 to a few extra $1,000 of extra money coming in. Question of the day, guys. Have you started selling on eBay before? Maybe you sold something and it went great. Maybe you have a funny story. If you want to hear about how I sold something and ended up with this little candle, you could check out the other video I have about selling phones on eBay. But until next time, guys.